Hello, everyone. Been a while. Um, I took a huge long break and rest from training. Kind of had to find a reason to train or want to compete again. That came more internal instead of external. Um, and I think I've found that, as well as some goal that is master's athletics, and this very long-term vision rather than this short vision term vision that I had before, which I think is much healthier for me. So with that, I would like to try and keep track of my training in some way, and me keeping paper versions is not very practical at this time and not as habitual as I would like it. So I don't know how often I will do these, but it would be great if I could just do short video every day. We'll see how it goes. So I'm just posting this, no editing like before, just raw, get it started. I don't know what's gonna turn into, but hopefully at least for myself or anyone out there that may see this again or see this fresh, it can be useful. So today, so now, by the way, I'm in the Philippines, and I've been training for the last 3 weeks, just really taking it slow, listening to my body, taking my rest days. So far, I've been running about 3 days in a row, taking 1 day off. I've done some sprint days already, done one workout, which I won't explain now for time's sake. And today I did my first sort of durability or strength workout as I'm taking a day off. So right now, my sort of focus is, of course, making some kind of base for mileage. And my idea is just to make 45-minute off days. Okay, I think this is enough to get enough mileage, and these are just like off days, easy jogs. Okay, so I'll just be doing this whenever I'm not doing some kind of workout or taking an actual day off, because at the moment I am. We'll see how that goes in the future. Okay. Other thing is every 14 days, a long run with good effort / pace. Okay, so this is just a good feeling. So this is like I'm not trying to jog it slow. I'm actually trying to put on some pace. And at the moment, I'm at about 13 kilometers. And this is because the distance between me and my girlfriend's or wife to be's house. Okay, so 13 kilometers. I started at 1 hour 30 minutes. Last week I ran 1 hour 15 minutes, and we'll see in a week from now what we're doing. Okay, and then we're doing every week some kind of speed, and every week some kind of middle distance workout. Right now we're just trying to get in the habit, the routine of doing it. Specific training or plan is not important to me right now. Just getting back into it. Okay, and then the other thing I'm trying to work on is durability, including like mobility. So I've spent a lot of years on the computer, hunched over, the last 3 or 4 years since COVID, and 1 year before that, to be honest. And so it's a lot of things I need to work out of my system. And so this is the biggest areas this I'm seeing problems right now are hips. Hips are really holding me back. Glutes and like inner quad, right? I don't know exactly. This is always their problem. And then feet, calves, and ankles. Okay. So I'm trying to do, when I do my strength, it's body weight, it's focusing on these kinds of things. So that's what I did today. So today, and core. So today I did, what did I do? I did 3 rounds of, well, I did 5 minutes backwards walking. Okay, this is something I'm trying from knees over toes guy. Knees over toes guy on YouTube. Okay, 3 rounds of, and then it was this 5 to 8 calf knees over toes. Knees over toes. Single leg calf raises and 5 to 8 tib raises. Okay, double leg, big angles. So really tough. And then I did, what's after that? Knees over toes lunge, 30 seconds each. And then, actually, I'm not sure what they're called. Quad leg raises, sitting leg raises, 5 to 8 sitting leg raises. Okay. Sitting leg raise, sitting and elevated. Okay, so like this. And after this, elephant walks. 5 to 8 elephant walks. And then 5 to 8 pancakes. And finally, 5 to 8. I'm not sure what they're called, but anyways, shoulder pulls, something like this. I know what they are. Anyway, so this is 3 rounds, and so we do 5 to 8 reps, 3 rounds. So this is deep, powerful ups, slow downs, hold in contraction. Okay, so that's why it's 5 to 8 instead of just doing 20 or something like that. So 3 rounds of 3 cycles. That's probably better. And then we did core. So core 2 times 10. Hold. Crunch. 2 times 10 seconds. Hold. Side planks. And 2 times 10 dogs. Okay. And this is, we did 2 rounds. Okay. So that's about it. I'm just going to keep going with this. And maybe I can add my weight here, which is 85 kilograms. Okay, so we have some weight to lose. I'm not worried about it. It's going to happen. But just put that on there. I don't have any other metrics to kind of put on there. I haven't done any races or anything, so that's the one I got. All right, so let's start with that and see how this goes. I hope everyone is doing well. And these are mostly for me, but you're very welcome to comment and watch them as I post them. Okay, take care.